combination is the arrangement of things without regards to their order. The number of ways of combining n objects in R ways is given as n combination R equals to n factorial over n minus R factorial, where n is the total possible options, R is the required number of picks, and the symbol factorial represents multiplication from a particular number down to 1. So let's look at words associated with combination. Words such as choose, form, combine, select. These words are very common when you see questions regarding combinations. Let's look at some examples so that we can put the formulas we just learned to work. Evaluate 9 combination 6. From the formula, we can see that n equals to 9, R equal to 6 is the required number of picks. 9 factorial over 9 minus 6 factorial, that gives 9 factorial over 3 factorial, 6 factorial, which equals 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. Factorial divided by 3 factorial, 6 factorial. Having expanded step by step and carried out the possible division in the expansion, the result is 84. Example 2, 6 combination 2, that equals 6 factorial over 6 minus 2 factorial. Following the same expansion process as previous example, we break each step down. Dividing where necessary, we obtain 15. Now, example 3, a committee of 3 men and 5 women is selected from 5 men and 10 women. Find the number of ways this can be done. Number of men equals 5, required picks equals 3. Number of women equals 10, required picks is 5. To obtain the appropriate result, we multiply the combination of men by that of women. That is 5 combination 3 multiplied by 10 combination 5. Applying the formula and expanding each of them as we did the previous examples, we obtain 2,520. Example 4 says we should find the number of ways of selecting 15 balls consisting of 5 black, 5 blue, and 5 white balls from a box containing 6 black, 7 blue, and 8 white balls. Number of black balls equals 6. The required is picks 5. Number of blue balls equals 7. The required picks is 5. Number of white balls equals 8. The required picks is 5. Hence, we multiply each combination together, and that will give us a total of 56,448 possible ways of making that selection. Now let's dive into conditional combination. Looking at example 1, choosing 5 people from 5 couples. 5 couples make 10 people, 5 husbands and 5 wives. So choosing the committee when everyone is eligible will be 10 combination 4. Using the formula of combination and following all due expansion and division properly, we'll obtain 210 ways of doing so. Now, if the committee must contain at least 1 woman, it means among the 4 selections there must be a minimum of 1 woman. That is, the woman may be 1, 2, 3, or 4. So we'll solve for when 1 woman is in the selection, do the same for when there are 2 women, also for when there are 3 women, and finally where are 4 women in the selection. Then we'll add all the 4 results together. Watch keenly how this has been carefully done step by step, obtaining each result before finally adding them together. And that addition gives us a total of 205 possible ways. So, going through the question in example 2, we see number of men and women given and also the required number of picks for each of them. Hence, we solve A the usual way by multiplying the 2 combination together, and that gives us 8,820 ways. B, if 2 particular men must be in the selection, then the number of men will reduce by 2 because those 2 men were already picked, leaving us with just 7 men to choose 3 more from. Having multiplied the remaining combination together, we obtain 2,450 possible ways. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe and turn on your notifications.